5.
G. E. L.
5.
Baklagger.
Wrong, next player
Oh, di
please.
lagi.
Our content for today is guess the 10 letters word letter B part 1.
Marian namin.
Ang clue ka ay surroundings.
Surroundings. Background!
Correct.
Alam nyo ah?
Hala,
Tulat ka!
Ang clue ka ay illuminate from behind. Kanang ni Siga from behind. O sa tawag, letter B. Letter 5. Illuminate from behind. 5.
Ay,
4.
backdrop?
Wrong, next player
Patay!
please.
Backdrop!
Illuminate from behind. Kabalog illuminate,
Oh.
diba? Oh, sige. 5.
A. C. Okay.
3.
Back.
2.
Backstage.
Wrong, next player please. Backstage. Illuminate from behind.
Oh!
Wrong.
Alo!
Next player please.
Uy! Nalok ko! Kausar na uy! Alo!
Sorry, Tiboy. 5.
Il.
Il, na il.
Il.
4.
Oh.
Wrong, next player please.
Ay! Una rin ko rin. Il. Ay? Ay, ka naman ka backlight? Wrong. Wrong. Ako ya! Backlights!
Next, ang clue ka ay having a scalp woolly.
Apple.
Apple?
Duha.
Uy, orange di ha?
L.
Na.
D. Ang sarap gusto mo kay Bob mo na iya. Bald.
Tulo ka buktod.
Balbon.
Ida.
Baldi. Bal.
Ay.
Wrong, next player please. 5.
E. Bal. Dreaded.
Wrong, next player please. 5. 4.
Bald.
3.
Aha.
2.
Hi. Letter H.
Correct.
Bald-headed. Hindi na kihatang lagi.
Next. Ang clue kay a person who speaks maliciously about someone who is not present kanang mong libat.
Oh, backstab.
Ha?
Backstab.
Final answer.
Backstab. Ay, di.
5.
Bye.
5. 4. Ay na din.
C.
Wrong, next player. Ay na din.
Okay.
2.
D.
Wrong, next player please.
Lo, unsa na ya? Kasap ka dala. Unsa na ya?
A person who speaks maliciously about someone who is not present.
Maliciously kanang gilibak.
5. 4.
Oh!
Wrong, next player.
Allah!
Sige, kag-uti mo.
Uyo, uten.
5.
Il.
Wrong ang il.
Yan.
Wrong.
Wrong ya.
Wrong. Ow.
S.
Naalas.
U.
Wrong, next player please.
Letter E.
5. 4.
R.
5.
Vertebrates.
4. 3.
I. Ay.
5.
Backbiters. Ah, tura.
Final answer.
T.
3.
Bati.
Backbiters.
Correct.
Ha? Ha?
Ang clue kay malicious talk about someone who is not present. Malicious. Ganina kay maliciously man to.
Ho mo to ganina no.
Karon kay malicious. 5.
Letter A. Letter C. Letter T. Letter T. Ala.
Ay.
Letter S.
Ay,
5.
gani ay gay back.
4.
Ready go. Ay,
3.
R.
Wrong, next player.
Patay.
Duha.
Backbitis.
Ha?
Backbitis.
Final answer.
Yes.
Correct. Wrong, sorry. Wrong, sorry. Five. 4. Ha? T daw.
Backbiters.
Wrong, next player please.
Backbiters T. E o is.
Next player please.
I wanna go.
Sige, 5.
Nauuwi ka.
4.
Oo.
3.
N. Lo. Muna no.
J. Backbiting.
Grabe. Sige. Next. Ang clue kay deport or sent away ka ng mga foreigner. Ipa-deport
Okay.
sila. Ang tawagan na kay?
Hey. C.
Wrong, next pair please.
Umalis ka
Wrong,
na.
next pair please. Oh, wrong lagi.
Letter S. Letter T.
Last.
Letter Eagle.
Five,
Letter
four.
R.
Wrong, next pair please.
Ganun, nagtako ato.
5,
Letter I.
4.
O.
Wrong, next player please. Di na mag-usap ni Boy. 5.
Letter T.
Naman.
LDI.
Wrong, next player please.
Layas.
Wrong, next player please.
Ay, patay.
Ala yung Marimar, dalag ibang.
5,
H.
Eh, Bushishi.
1.
Bushishi.
Ha?
Bullshit.
Bushishi.
Wrong.
Bushishi.
Wrong ang in-check.
Bushishi me.
5.
Il.
Wrong yung il.
Thank you.
2. V. Wrong, next player please.
Bishit.
Yeah, F.
Wrong.
Papasay. Gusto na?
5, 4, 3,
Balishit.
5, 4.
Balishit.
Ha? Final answer. Gusto ka?
Balishit.
Wrong, next player please.
Balishit. Balishit.
T. O, E. Umagi L.
Balishit. Shay.
Next player na ma'am. Sige, 5.
Letter C.
Wrong, next player please.
Ah!
Napay letters nga wa. 5.
Letter D.
Final answer.
D.
Wrong, next player please.
Sharo.
5,
Badalusi.
4.
Dia, D.
Ito, Koreano dali. Oy.
Oh, manali.
Wrong, next player please.
What? Bullshit.
Final answer.
You.
Ha?
You.
Wrong, next player please.
Oh.
5, 4.
Why?
Wrong, next player please.
R.
Wrong, next player please.
Tuwa man nas alphabet.
First na ang U.
Next player.
Ano bang U?
Next player please.
Ako yung Ilara. Letter K.
Wrong, next player please.
ABCD ka tagay.
5.
N.
Correct. 5.
BM.
Banishment.
Correct. Na itong vanish na nawa. Ha?
Pa ko, mami.
Next! Ang clue kay delayed work. So delayed imong work na kabi ka. 5.
A. C.
Correct.
K.
5, 4, 3.
O. U.
Wrong, next player.
U. Baksam.
Kasi ay. Ha? 5.
T.
Wrong, next player please.
J.
Wrong. Ha? Jaina Jutes?
Wrong.
Wrong.
Wrong. Oy, wrong.
Wrong.
Jones Maria.
Jones Maria.
Wrong naman yan. Wrong na yan. Ay, wrong na yan. Yeah, wrong na.
Next player please.
Ikanto ba siya pag Jones?
Oh, no?
Kuya. Letter T.
Wrong, next player please.
Back working.
Wrong, next player please.
Working naman na si.
5, 4,
Backward shit.
3, 2.
R.
Wrong, next player please.
Wrong ka.
5.
G.
Correct.
Go. E. L.
Lager na.
5.
Baklager.
Wrong, next player please.
lagi.
Apit lang tato kasi. 5,
S.
4.
Go.
Backludge.
Ha?
Backludge.
Ang last letter kay? Ha?
D.
Correct.
Wala bakla.
Backlog.
Liling.
So,
Bonita ko sa imo.
dili mo trabaho, mag-abot mo mga trabaho, nabaklag na ka.
Nabaklag. Salamat ha.
Baho sila.
Next,
Backlad. Yeah.
ang clue kay a key on a typewriter or computer keyboard.
A. Lagrayo.
Ano gineba?
Lagrayo.
C.
5,
G.
Lagrayo. Bakbak.
Backspace.
Wrong.
Backspaces.
Correct.
Ano?
Wala, nag-bright na siya. Next, a type of swimming technique.
Hi.
Backstroke.
Correct. Next, ang clue kay retrace.
Back. Back. Sige, back yan. S. Backtracks.
Correct.
Yeah!
Sige, ang clue kay a game
Again.
or a sport.
Basketball.
Wrong next player, please.
Ay! Wala! Volleyball!
Next player.
Volleyball ka, mo na.
Letter A? Letter D?
Correct!
Badminton?
Badminton!
Wow!
Badminton.
Ang basketball di ay.
Next, ang clue kay singer or music. Sige. A.
C.
Wrong next player, please. A type of singer. A type of singer. Singer or music. More siya pamaagi sa pagkanta. Or tigkanta sa siya. 5.
D.
Tao
D.
mo.
D. L.
Wala. 5.
Balad.
5.
Baladers.
Correct.
Ala! Baladers pala!
That's it, pansit.
Bila! Ayos! Go! Bakuwas ko! Go!